So I failed Project 50 yesterday, which is supposed to be day 10. Because yun nga, hindi ako nakapagbasa, hindi ako nakapaglaan ng oras dun sa skill na inaaral ko, hindi ako nakapag-workout, and hindi ako nakapag-post ng content. So yun nga, bale, 4 yung hindi ko nagawa. Then last night, hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng 8 hours of sleep. Actually, it's 5 hours nga lang kasi hindi ako makatulog. I've been thinking to a lot of problems now sa bahay, and yeah, it's okay. It's actually a part, and hindi naman ako bibigyan ni Lord ng problems na hindi ko kayang i-solve. So, but this time's different. Like, my mom left me here, and yeah, now I'm responsible to my brothers and sisters. Ako mag-aalaga sila throughout their school year, and yeah, so I think I need to find a job today. So yeah, as you can see, I'm here again sa papuntang Sapa to actually I woke up kanina mga around 5 a.m. or I don't know what time is it, or 4, because yun nga, inasikaso ko yung mga kapatid ko papunta sa school. And yeah, so that's I think my maging first morning routine ko, unlike before this. Medyo diretso agad ako sa Sapa to prioritize myself, but now kapatid ko muna nagkaunahin ngayon, and to be honest, 5 sila, and yeah, may mga pangyayari talaga, so it's okay. I know I can handle this. So for now, I need to go here to a small river, which is actually my favorite place na nga eh, to give myself a break. Yeah. So I'm done, and I didn't expected na pupunta sila doon, kaya umahon na rin ako agad. So pumunta kasi sila tita, so yeah, it was great. And yeah, you know man, you've been here sa Sapa, like consistent ka na dito. So now you're done taking your break. What's next? I'm still going to continue Project 50, and even though I failed today, I'm still going to continue. So this day is day 11, and the day isn't finished yet, so I still have a lot of time to continue all the tasks na meron pa ako. Even though I look stupid, This is the only person I can talk to. You are the only person I can talk to. So last night you can't sleep because you've been thinking about being successful. You've been thinking about those problems na hindi mo alam kung paano susolusyonan, men. So, anong gagawin? Because to be honest, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong gagawin. I have an idea, but you know, naniniwala na ako sa sarili kong delusion na mag-work siya. I know may idea ka sa gagawin, pero you have to believe the delusion, man. You have to believe na mag-work yung ginagawa mo. So, even though baba ng percentage, I know meron ka pa madaming opportunities, man. You're going to be successful one day. I believe in you. I know you look like stupid right now, but you will. I know you're far, but you'll get there. I know there's a lot of reason why binibigyan ka ng mga ganitong problems, ganitong pagsubok, responsibilities. I don't know why I'm laughing. Yeah, I don't know why I'm laughing. Am I crazy? Siguro nga baliw na ako, pero I believe that I can. So, day 11. See you tomorrow.